Hey guys, Trevor here to break down our new and upgraded RGB Panel Pro 2.0. The Panel Pro has been our flagship on-camera light since it debuted in 2020, and the combination of your feedback and advances in LED technology have allowed us to upgrade the light to what you see here today, the RGB Panel Pro 2.0. Redesigned to better suit the on-the-go creator, the RGB Panel Pro 2.0 is brighter, lasts 20% longer, has tint control, is more accurate, and has a wider bicolor range than its predecessor. And my favorite, it can now also double as a power bank to charge up your other gear. In this video, we'll break down all you need to know about the Panel Pro 2.0, including how to use and operate it. Let's get into it. First, we'll start with what's included inside the box. Inside the box, you will receive the Lume RGB Panel Pro 2.0, a softening diffuser, a DSLR camera mount, a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and a travel pouch. The 2.0 is built to thrive wherever you take it. The redesigned aluminum body is sleeker, more ergonomic, yet extremely durable and drop-proof. It features 204 powerful LEDs tucked behind its frosted lens with an upgraded bicolor output that is 11% brighter and its RGB output that is 400% brighter than the original. On side, we have our blue mode button, an adjustment dial, a new power switch, and the USB-C charging port. This is also where you can use the light as a power bank. The 2.0 stands tall at 6 inches wide by 3.14 inches tall by 0.43 inches thick, allowing it to go virtually unnoticed in the gear bag. The RGB Panel Pro 2.0 also features 3 quarter-20 threads, one on top, bottom, and on the left side of the light, making it easy to mount to any quarter-20 compatible device like the included cold shoe mount. All right, now that we know our way around the light, let's dive into how to use it. The 2.0 comes equipped with over 16 million color options, a bicolor range of 2700 Kelvin to 7500 Kelvin, green magenta tint control, built-in effects, strobe speeds, and more. First, you'll draw your attention to the back screen of the panel. This is your control center, where you will see and adjust your settings using the buttons on side to find the right light in any environment. On this screen, you can also see some battery information, including estimated time remaining. To operate the light, hit that power switch and your light will turn on. Check out your back screen to see your current settings. You can use the mode button to toggle through your adjustment settings. You'll want to keep an eye on this little arrow. Once the arrow lands on your desired section, you can use the adjustment dial to adjust that setting. When the menu is highlighted yellow, you can use the dial to toggle between different light modes. Once you're ready to jump into that mode, press the blue button once again to begin toggling between the settings below. Under the HSL/set menu, you can control the brightness, color, and saturation of your light, as well as turn on the Bluetooth functionality. Level controls brightness from 0 to 100%. Color controls the hue of the light from 0 to 360. And Sat controls saturation of the light from 0 to 100. And BT toggles the Bluetooth functionality on and off. Switching over to the CCT/FX menu, this is where you can control brightness, color temperature, green magenta tint, and our pre-programmed special effects. Just as the previous menu, Level controls brightness from 0 to 100%. Temp controls the light's temperature range from 2700 Kelvin to 7500 Kelvin. G/M controls the green to magenta tint control from -1 to 1. And Scene controls the 7 pre-programmed light effects that include strobe, lightning, fire, candle, siren, and TV. Frequency controls the speed of your effect with a range of 1 Hz to 10 Hz. In the top right of the LCD screen, you'll see a little battery icon. This is your battery indicator. The number to the left shows how much time you have left down to the last minute before you run out of power. When adjusting brightness, these numbers will change. The lower the brightness, the longer the runtime, and the higher the brightness, the lower the runtime. To charge your RGB Panel Pro 2.0, simply plug in the included USB-C power cable into a power source and then the other end into the USB-C port on the light. Once charging, you will see this battery indicator here. Keep in mind the 2.0 can also double as a power bank. Just plug in any USB-C compatible cable to recharge your phone, camera, AirPods, or whatever gear that needs some juice. The 2.0 is also Bluetooth compatible and can be wirelessly operated through the Lume Control app. First, make sure you download the Lume Control app from the App Store. And to double check you're downloading the correct app and not any apps from the past, make sure it's called Lume Control and has a white logo like you see here. On your light, head to the menu labeled HSL/set, scroll down to the BT menu, and make sure Bluetooth is on. Open the app and head to the Bluetooth pairing button and find your device. Tap the light icon to the far right of your light and your light will connect. Once connected, you can find your device under the device list. Tap the plus sign to the left of your light to drop down the menu of controls. There are some fun new advances in the Lume Control app, including a color picker, where you can take a photo of an object and your lights will color match the image. We made a separate video to deep dive into the Lume Control app. If you'd like to learn more about it, we'll include a link in the description of this video or on screen here or somewhere nice and convenient for you. To mount your panel to a camera, simply attach the included cold shoe mount to any of your panel's 1/4-20 mounts. Then slide that onto your camera. You can then make sure to tighten the top disc to your light and the bottom disc to your camera. Keep in mind, these 3/4-20 threads make it very easy to mount your Panel Pro 2.0 to any existing mounts that you may already have, like a light stand or an existing shoe mount. If you're looking for an even softer light output, there's also an attachable diffusion lens that comes with the light. Simply slide it over the front of your light to soften things up a bit. Well, there you have it, a breakdown of how to use the new and improved RGB Panel Pro 2.0. If you have any further questions we didn't cover here today, feel free to send a message to support@lumecube.com, shoot us a DM, or drop your comment in the LumeCube community group on Facebook. We'll see you next time.